Okay, so boys, what you should all have is something similar to this, where you've put turtle forward 50, turn left 90, forward 50. So you've actually got it to move forward 4 times, because that's how many sides we have. And you've also got it to turn left 3 times, because that's how many times we will turn in order to draw a shape. Remember, we would not need to get it to turn at the end. Now, what I'm very quickly going to do is I'm going to actually add a gap here, and so that I can make my code a little bit more easier to read, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a comment. So I'm going to use the hash symbol. Now, most of you guys may know this as a hashtag, but it's actually called a hash. So I'm going to click on hash, and I'm going to simply write draws a square. Now, what this line does here, now that it's been commented, it means that it is part of the code, but the program does not actually read this line. It sees there's a hash there and it ignores whatever is on that line. So what that means is I can actually use that to inform me with regards to exactly what's going on. So it's always good to do that. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do turtle dot pen up. Okay, I'm going to do turtle dot. Oh, oops, I've obviously made a spelling mistake there. Turtle dot forward, and I'll move forward 50 again, and I would use turtle dot pen down. Now, obviously, what pen up and pen down does is it would actually lift the turtle up off the screen, move forward, okay, and then it's gone back down again. So now what I'm actually going to do is I will draw a rectangle. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a comment, and I would write draws a rectangle. Okay, and I will click enter, and I will put in my code there again. Now what we will do is I will let you guys write the code. I will let you guys do that. Once you've done that, once you're successful, you can move on to the next video. If you're not successful, again, you can move on to the next video. You can see exactly how it was done, pause, and then correct that yourself. Okay, so what you're doing next, or what you're going to be doing, is you will be drawing a rectangle.